Hello, my name is Nick Clements. Today I'm providing an update on the study titled Empowering Environmental Justice Communities with Smart and Connected Technology, Air and Noise Pollution, Well-Being, and Social Relations in Times of Disruption. This is a collaboration between the University of Colorado Boulder and University of Colorado Denver, and our community partners include nonprofits such as Groundwork Denver, government organizations, and educational institutions. The vision for this project starts by developing a socio-technical system for conducting environmental justice research capable of collecting surveys in an app, collecting sensor data from participants' environments, providing transit information, and providing information to and receiving comments from residents. Once the system is developed, we deploy the system in North Denver communities experiencing environmental injustices to understand the impact of construction-related disruptions on community member well-being, air pollution exposure, and mobility. Lastly, we engage with North Denver communities to assist in the design of research through focus groups and in the conduct of research through recruiting, outreach, and citizen science efforts. The flow of the study is to initially engage with community organizations, to develop the socio-technical system, to conduct focus groups, to receive feedback on the study design, and lastly, to feed all that information into the design of a field study that's 1.5 years long, where 120 participants complete daily surveys, 50 participants use a personal air sensor, and 5 participants receive a home noise sensor. The study is inspired by our users. Residents in North Denver neighborhoods of Globeville, Elyria, Swansea, Cole, and Clayton experience high levels of environmental pollution. These environmental injustices have been worsened by recent major construction projects. Our initial focus groups confirmed that traffic disruption and air pollution are important issues, and our participants see value in using the personal air sensor, as well as the daily survey app called Pure Motion. Interventions were designed with the community in mind. The Pure Motion, or the Pure Nav intervention app, was designed to help people move around the community, and Pure Connect is an app to help participants communicate with each other and policymakers. We also optimized a simple do-it-yourself air cleaner design in a way that we can deploy this intervention to all participants. The fundamental research contributions the study makes include determining how researchers can successfully implement socio-technical solutions in environmental justice communities, as well as understanding the limitations of this approach. We measure the impacts of major construction events on community member well-being, mobility, and pollution exposure, determining how mobile device applications can be designed to help solve environmental justice issues, as well as determining the impact of simple do-it-yourself air cleaner designs for reducing air pollution exposure. Our technology team has successfully deployed the Pure Motion Daily Survey app for 2 cohorts of over 120 participants each and have developed the intervention apps. Our environmental engineering team has successfully deployed the Atmo 2 Pro personal air sensor for 2 cohorts of 50 participants each, and have developed co-location calibration procedures for this sensor. Our social science team is busy coordinating participant recruitment and outreach in collaboration with community partners, they're in the process of analyzing interview data from focus groups and Atmotube users. Our education team ran a summer camp this last year, focused on environmental justice, mapping, air pollution, and policymaking. And right now in study progress, we're about to start our 3rd cohort where interventions are being deployed. The challenges we learned about during conversations with community collaborators include difficulties of building trust and showing benefit to the community, as well as making sure our participants don't feel like test subjects. Community members express a need for equitable interventions, as well as a platform to feel listened to. We've responded to these challenges by changing our air pollution interventions such that we reach all participants rather than only 25. We designed our intervention apps around primary issues reported by residents, and we've conducted extensive outreach with over 18 nonprofits and other organizations. Some feedback we've received from the community members include for Atmotube users, they appreciate the opportunity to just know what their air pollution exposure is, and they're starting to change their routines and activities to reduce exposure. Our summer camp middle school students built the same air cleaner that will be deployed in the neighborhood, as well as their own personal air sensor, and they were excited to learn how to become citizen scientists. The 3 milestones we aim to hit in the next year include deploying the interventions for cohorts 3 and 4, continuing community outreach, including a 2nd summer camp and dissemination of 1-page summaries about various aspects of the study. And we're in the process of analyzing data and preparing manuscripts on Pure Motion user experiences, focus groups and Atmotube users, interviews, as well as the personal air sensor data. Thank you.